If you're learning Japanese from apps, textbooks, or creators who push Yasashi Nihongo, you're being trained to fail in real conversations. Not because your Japanese is bad or you're lazy, but because the system is broken. These apps, textbooks, teachers teach you polite, stiff robotic language. The stuff that is supposed to work, but in real life, it makes you sound weird, robotic, distant, even childlike. When we hear foreigners speaking Japanese like, こんにちは、私の名前は John desu, we instantly feel the wall because it's nothing like how we speak. That's the result of Yasashi Nihongo. It's not real. It's not how we talk. It's like you go to the gym and there's a guy who's been hitting the gym for years, but he's been lifting just a barbell without any weights on the sides. Just a barbell, the same weight for years. I'm a native Japanese speaker, born and raised in Tokyo. I've lived in this language for 21 years. And when I watch Japanese teachers on YouTube that say, 皆さんこんにちは、今日も楽しい日本語を学びましょう. I'm not gonna lie, just gonna be honest, I cringe. Because I know that they don't speak like that with Japanese people. I'm not talking about how slow they speak. It actually makes sense for them to speak slower because it helps learners to understand more. But I'm talking about the language structure itself. You're literally being taught to speak like a foreigner and survive in society, but not to connect with Japanese people. That's the biggest lie in this Japanese learning world. Real Japanese is emotional, it's way more casual, we drop words and bend grammar all the time. It's messy sometimes, but human. Like for example, instead of saying, あなたはどこに行きますか? We just say, どこ行くの? Oh, but that's casual, right? Correct. Even in polite situation, we don't say, あなたはどこに行きますか? 90% of Japanese people say, どこ行くんですか? See, we never say, あなたはどこに行きますか? You see how we drop あなたは and に after どこ. So, no あなたは no にどこ行くんですか? どこ行くんですか? This is how we talk in real life, but it's never in textbook. So if you've been watching Japanese dramas, movies, and you don't understand what they're saying even though you've been learning Japanese, you know basics, this is why. Because what you learn in textbooks, YouTubers, apps are not really used by native Japanese speakers in everyday life. So when you actually listen to native Japanese speakers, your mind goes blank, like, wait, what? What's that? That wasn't in my textbook. The reason why they don't teach you this is very simple. It's easier to test polite forms than emotional connection. If you want to get a job or live in Japan, they require to pass JLPT. In JLPT, there's only polite language. Passing a test might be important. Like I just realized that the JLPT test is made by Japanese government, right? So is English education system in Japan. Think about it. How many Japanese people do you think speak English? It's like 20% or 10% of our population. Because the government is giving us a broken education system for English. But this JLPT system and the whole system doesn't give a fuck about your happiness in Japan. But I do, because I believe that human connection is one of the most important things as a human being. To be happy, to feel alive, but this Japanese learning system just keeps you away from real connections. So if you want to speak Japanese like a native, instead of failing socially in Japan, you need to start learning a kind of language we use to connect with others on a human level. That means listening to native speech daily, shadowing casual phrases, learning real conversation rhythm, and dropping the training wheels, and start adding weights on the side of the barbell so you can do progressive overload. You know what I'm saying? So you can grow your muscle, you can grow your brain. And I built my community for the exact reason. To help learners like you finally understand how Japanese people actually talk. No fluff, no baby talk, no fake classroom vibe. Just the real native Japanese that you can actually use. You've come this so far. Don't let the system hold you back. Just start learning Japanese for yourself. So if you're the type of person who care about human connections, having a good life, or just understanding Japanese movies or dramas, go check the link in the description. And also I post comprehensible info videos on this channel. It's gonna help you for sure. Okay, finally, watch how we speak, shadow the rhythm, learn like a human, not a test taker. I know that this is a path that most learners never take because the system is broken. But you already found me. You know the truth. And if you take action and you finally start connecting Japanese, I'm on your side. Let's keep leveling up. Make sure to subscribe because I keep teaching you the real stuff. I'll see you in the next one. お疲れ.